It's always hard to leave our beautiful little island paradise here. Love the sunsets. For the bunny. All right, time to go. We'll be back in December. Finn's gonna go see the turtle, or the tortoise.
He's like, what is that?
Come on, Finn. We're gonna go say goodbye to the beach. He's like, what is that? What is that? Going to say goodbye to the beach, puppy. Next time we come back, you're gonna be a big boy. You're gonna be a big boy. Your first car wash, huh? It's okay. Okay, buddy, it's okay. It's okay. Finn's first time in a hotel room. Not too bad, huh? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. So we stayed at the Days Inn in Calhoun, Georgia last night, didn't we, Finn? You did a good job. You're a good little boy. Except he won't pee outside anywhere with all the noises in the cars. You had a hard time with that, didn't you, buddy boy? Yeah, you slept for 8 hours yesterday in the car. But not too bad of a little place. Never thought I would have stayed at one of those again in a long time with the doors on the outside.
It's way easier to get in and out of.
It was actually a very nice hotel. It was the Days Inn in Calhoun, Georgia. I typically don't like that kind, but it was pretty good. Oh, and there's a pilot right here for some good coffee for the morning road. Hi everyone, I just want to preface this next part of the video with bringing Finn home to our Michigan home. And sorry about all the picture-in-picture editing that I was trying to do. I was Googling and doing some research on how to black out license plates, and everything I came across seemed kind of a pain. Actually, this was still a pain as well, but doing the picture-in-picture, I ended up having to render it 6 times to make this work. So it just kind of became a comical challenge to just even make this work. So sorry for this and all the distractions of it, but I've learned my lesson and how to avoid this in the future. So anyway, sorry about that part of it, but I wanted everybody to get to see the real reactions of like Emma when we brought Finn home and the first time that she saw him. So it was kind of an important part of the video that I didn't want to have to, you know, cut all that out. So again, sorry for all the little black clips in there, but just for safety reasons, I just kind of wanted to see if I could get it to block out addresses and, you know, like I said, license plates and everything. And then there's another part that I didn't show in this video. I didn't have a video clip of it, but I was curious if this happened with anybody else when they brought a second dog home. The vizsla, Sebastion, who's been living with us, he's our son's dog. He actually started you can see the video where they meet outside, but then when we bring them in later in the evening, like I said, this part I didn't show, we didn't videotape because it was so crazy. But Sebastion was just running around the house. They were running around the house playing, and it took us a while to figure out that Sebastion was like peeing and like spraying in the house, and we don't know if it was because he was trying to mark his territory, but it was so bizarre because it ended up all over the floor. He jumped up on our couch, he sprayed the couch, it was just crazy. So we were so afraid that might be something that would continue for a few days and everything after we cleaned up all the mess, but luckily it did not. And he loves Finn like crazy. They've been getting along great now for quite a while. Like I said, I don't know if that's happened to anybody else. It was a crazy incident that night, but like I said, it was only the one evening that happened. Cleaned it all up, and now they're best of friends. So enjoy the video. Finn's home. Finn's home to his Michigan home. Where is everybody, Finn? They're supposed to be coming out to meet you. Where is everybody?
Hi, buddy. I've seen you in pictures. Oh my god, it doesn't feel real.
That's what we said when we picked him up.
Hi.
Isn't he cuter in person?
Yeah, he's so small.
I told you, he's still tiny.
Wow, I can't believe it. My brain's like exploding.
That's how we were too.
Hi, buddy. Can I pick you up? Oh.
Watch out, he licks like crazy. He's squirmy when he gets excited. He gets squirmy, I'm like, careful. Oh, watch out. Wait, hold him because the big truck's going to go by in a second.
He's so small.
How do you like person looks so much better. Hey, buddy.
Come here, boy.
Yeah, after the UPS truck goes by, then we can let go of him. Yeah, hang on to him.
You want to run? Go.
Dan's new home. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? You can let go of him now.
He like hops.
You can let go of him now
Come on,
that the
come
UPS guy's back.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you can run. You can run. He's been cooped up for 2 days.
He has a bigger yard now.
Yeah,
Hi, buddy.
I know. Our yard was so little
Hi, Finn.
in Florida.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, Sebastion looks so huge to me.
I bet.
He's gonna look so big next to him. Hi, buddy.
That's one thing the breeder said about Whippet. She's like,
You know how to
she goes, even when they just meet somebody, they act like, oh, hold on, there's a car coming again. She acts like she said they act like you're their best friend. All right, Finn, now you get to meet your big sister. Your big sister. Yes, your big sister. Was it worth the 20-hour car ride? Was it worth it?
Good boy.
Poor Sebastion, he's probably go nuts. What did you say you gave him to calm him down?
No, I gave him a couple treats and then put him in the crate.
Oh,
But it's like, this is why Austin needed to be.
I know. Here she comes, Finn.
She's leading the
She's
next
like, oh no, another pet puppy?
This is his first puppy dog he's seen.
She's already she wants to see you guys.
Oh, hey, Ellie.
This
She's
is-
like, where have you guys been?
This is the first dog.
She's like, what
Dog.
is this thing? I'm trying to see my family.
In just a minute, Ellie. Here, we'll pet Ellie a
Ellie.
second. Hi, Ellie girl. Hi,
Oh, he
puppy.
looks big.
Hi, Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Did you miss us, Ellie girl? Finn's like,
Did you think he was gonna be bigger right now?
No, I don't know. I don't know what I
don't
thought.
let him choke himself too much.
He grew so much in the last week.
Don't let him roll on her pee.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Finn. I know. See, she's an old girl. She's an old girl. Don't bite her. Don't bite her.
Yeah, Ellie's like, oh no, oh no.
We brought another one home, Ellie. We brought another puppy. We brought another puppy home. What do you think, Ellie?
Okay,
You're going to have to teach this one, too.
Should I get Sebastion or should we wait for Austin?
No, no, no. We can't do all three of the dogs.
Well, I can put Ellie back inside.
Yeah.
But maybe we should wait for Austin.
Yeah.
Here, you hold him. I'm gonna go and take care
Can
of
he get
Sebastion.
through there?
No, yeah, he's going to get... Sebastian's waiting to meet Finn, but Austin's not here yet, so we're waiting for Austin to get home. Sebastian looks gigantic now compared to Finn. He looks so big. I know you're gonna get to meet him in a minute. I know, just a minute, buddy. Just a minute. Oh. Maybe he has to go to the bathroom. Oh yeah, he had to pee.
Grab Sebastion.
Come here, bud.
Well, we might as well do this out in the grass. Hey, do it out in the grass. Whoa.
Sebastion, here, buddy. Here, buddy.
Wait, just put Finn.
Okay.
Just put Finn on the ground.
Here, buddy. Come on.
Well, Sebastian's a little bit big and intimidating. Oh, Sebastian has to pee again. Emma,
What happened?
she dropped
I
him.
fell and dropped him.
Oh no.
Oh, this is not good. Hey, Emma, get Ellie. Emma, get Ellie out of the mix here. Poor Finn. What?
Okay.
Buddy.
Did he just knock him down? We don't want Finn to have a bad experience with other dogs.
Yeah, I just dropped him and then he's getting attacked by Sebastion.
I know. How hard did you drop him? And why did you fall?
I slipped because Sebastion was jumping around and then
A bit controlled. Oh. Well, Finn's feeling a little more comfortable in the situation. Hey, 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 Sebastian. Hey, Mike, what are you doing to
What?
him?
I don't know what this is.
Well, yeah.
So he doesn't even know what's happening.
Well, he must have been a little excited. The initial meeting was a little rough for a second, but now they're best friends. Come on, puppies. Come on. Hey, guys. We gotta keep them back here.
They'll stay back here. Don't worry about it. They're not going anywhere.
Hey,
No, yeah, he goes.
I've seen Sebastian take off in the front yard with Kayla's dog before. Oh, look, Finn was jumping on him.
This is the best thing that. This is the best thing that could have happened to Sebastion.
I know.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Sebastion. Come on.
My camera just
This
got
way.
dark there. It goes. Yeah, keep him back here.
Although right now, Sebastion thinks, oh, this is a nice little neighbor puppy that came over to play with him. Yeah, yeah. Wait till he lives with you.
Yeah, we definitely need to get this energy out here. Oh, Finn's peeing.
Sebastian's like, hey.
Good boy, Finn. Good boy.
He's like, let me finish my pee first. Then I'll go."
No, don't go to the front.
Oh.
Kick your ass.
Wearing each other out.
This one is where you usually want the little bed.
Yeah, Sebastion seems like he's done
Oh yeah, that's right, because this is his daytime one, and then the other one's nighttime. He's still like, what is this? What's going on in my house? Do not let Finn go in the front yard. Oh.
Good boy, Sebastian. Good boy.
What's Finn doing? Don't let him eat rocks.
You already peed.